Hello everyone, I'm Sanjeeta from GIBS Business School. Currently, I'm in my first year of my PGDM degree.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubuddhi from PGDM first year.
So hi everyone, my name is Alicia. I'm from PGDM first year.
So recently we had a global IRE summit in our college and I was a part of it.
We had a workshop with Dr. Ernst,
where we had many speakers coming from outside the country and they gave us their insights on their innovation and entrepreneurship.
On first day workshop, he taught and I got knowledge about the insights of innovation and entrepreneurial skill.
So we had a lot of presentations, we had peer-to-peer learning. It was a very interactive session and Dr. Ernst was nothing less than a mentor for us. He was constantly guiding us, giving us inputs, giving us how can we be better at what we are.
So he gave us such insights related innovation and entrepreneurship.
And I think it was a very nice experience and I'm very grateful to be a part of this workshop.
And it was a very great experience with him and we got a chance to present our ideas also. And
thank you.